kids there now.
Figure if they're letting trucks and scooters go by, it's not coming in.
They're closing, so.
Oh, this guy's putting his phone down.
Yes, but I think it will survive.
Really?
It definitely will survive, yes.
Really?
It will.
Okay.
It's okay, it's a Samsung.
That's a good ad for Samsung.
But it will really because actually we saw that.
Rebecca, lie down there and see if you can do it. Rebecca, you want to take video or photo?
I'm taking a video, but you take whatever you want. Get out, though. You get in the middle of the track and take the video, though.
It's coming.
What?
It's coming.
It's coming. Woo! All right, there it is. Woo!